Okay. So first of all, decision of optional. I think most of you must have decided your optional till yet. If you have not, for optional, what I did was that before deciding my optional, see, I was jumping into a world which was all new to me. All the UPSC subjects, because I took 11th and 12th commerce, I never read about these polity or geography apart from class 10th. After that, I never went through it. So everything was new to me. So in that, I decided that I should have a subject with which I am at least familiar. That is why I took commerce. And if you people have the option of that, you can first try and go with that subject with which you are familiar, but not take a subject which is very huge, which will capture all your time, and you will not have any time to prepare for the GS. Don't do that. I know optional is important. You need to get people say you need to get 320, 330. I got a 275 in my optional, but my score in GS is better. So you have to take that call that you want to invest all your time doing optional, or you also want time for your GS. Apart from this, availability of good material is very important in optional. You need to check that. So if someone has an optional, like let's say some engineering, I'm not very aware of the material availability, but people who do not take that as an optional always complain that they do not have good material available. So you need to look for that. Good material should be available. And third thing is your interest in the subject. You will have to at least spend 30 days revising your optional between prelims and mains. If you are not interested in your optional, if you are only doing it for the marks, you will not be able to do good in it. It's very difficult. It's easier said than done, that you people go and ask some mentor that what optional should I take, and based on the trend analysis of years, people will tell you, "Acha, commerce mein to marks nahi aa rahe, don't take commerce." Or for, like, I'm not promoting my optional, but just that ki isme marks nahi aa rahe, don't take that optional. Don't. Take your own decision, take a conscious decision that I have to invest so much time in studying my optional. Will I be comfortable doing it? Will I be happy studying my optional? Studying happily is very important. People don't focus it until and unless you don't enjoy your preparation. It's a waste of time. Even if you have given your 3 to 4 years of preparation and you have been enjoying it, you are not regretting it, it's good. Even if you have not been able to clear it, it's very good, because you have learned so much out of those 3-4 years. So take a subject that interests you and you think you can do justice to it. Okay. So this is it about optional.